Hi guys, welcome to Excel Advisor. Today we are going to learn how to copy and paste in Excel. Yes, आप सोच रहे होंगे copy and paste करना Excel में बहुत आसान है, but there are some other ways apart from Control C and Control V in Excel to copy and paste. Every time you cannot use Control C and Control V in Excel. I'm going to show you some example where you need to copy something but Control C and Control V will not going to help you. इससे पहले की वीडियो में अगर कोई भी इश्यू आता है you can reach me here or you can comment on the video for any issue. So let's start with the basic example. Here I have taken a box where you can see name, age, gender, phone number and state of couple of peoples. If you need to copy this, what you will do, you will select the box, you will press Ctrl C, and here if I delete this box, you will press Ctrl V key like this and it will get paste. That's a normal use of Ctrl C and V जो कि हर कोई करता है. But there are some other ways through which you can copy the data. For example, you have this table and someone hide these three columns like this. Now you just have name and state of 5 person and you need to copy the name and state. Now if I select this, if I press Ctrl V, I will get the complete box, but here I'm just looking for the cell which is not hidden, which means I just need the name and the state from the complete box. So how you can copy without selecting a hidden cells? What you need to do, select the complete box, press Alt and colon, then Control C and Control V like this. Let me help you here. Let me tell you the steps how it's going to work. First, you need to press the Alt key along with the colon key that is just next to the L like Linda if you're using a Windows computer. I think it is visible to you. Then you need to press Ctrl and C and then you need to press Ctrl and V. That's how it works. What it will do, Alt plus colon will help you to select only visible cell. Once you selected visible cell, then Ctrl C will copy that cell and Ctrl V will help you to paste that cell. That's how you can use, or you can say how you can copy without including hidden cell, and that's how it works. So this is something which is different from Ctrl C Ctrl V. Here you need to use Alt plus colon key that is next to the letter L like Linda on your keyboard. Hope you like this video. If in case you have any issue, you can reach me here or you can comment on this video.